Hey there, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're diving into a superfood that's been used for centuries, not just for adding flavor to dishes, but also for its impressive health benefits. Yes, I'm talking about garlic. Garlic isn't just a kitchen staple. It's packed with nutrients that can do wonders for your health. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, lower blood pressure, or just feel better overall, garlic might be the secret ingredient you've been missing. So, grab a clove, sit back, and let's explore 11 amazing health benefits of garlic that might just convince you to add more of it to your daily diet. Number 1. Boosts immune system. First up, garlic is an immune system booster. With its high content of allicin, a sulfur compound that's formed when garlic is crushed or chopped, it helps your body fight off infections and illnesses. Studies show that consuming garlic regularly can reduce the severity of common colds and even help prevent them. So, if you feel a sniffle coming on, add a little garlic to your meals. It might just be what you need to stay healthy. Number 2. Improves heart health. Garlic is a heart health hero. It helps lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, both of which are key factors in preventing heart disease. In fact, several studies have shown that garlic can lower total cholesterol by up to 10% and reduce blood pressure in people with hypertension. So, if you're looking to keep your heart in tip-top shape, garlic is a tasty and natural way to help. Number 3. Fights inflammation. Garlic also has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a common cause of many chronic conditions like arthritis, and garlic can help reduce it. Garlic's antioxidants help reduce the inflammation in your joints, muscles, and tissues, making it an excellent addition to your diet if you suffer from any type of inflammation-related discomfort. Number 4. Supports detoxification. Did you know garlic can help detox your body? It's known to help flush out toxins and heavy metals like lead from your system. Some studies suggest that garlic, especially when eaten raw, can help eliminate toxins, improve liver function, and cleanse your system, leaving you feeling more energetic and refreshed. Number 5. Improves digestion. Garlic is also great for your gut. It's been shown to promote healthy digestion by increasing the production of digestive enzymes. It helps your stomach break down food better, which can reduce bloating and gas. Plus, it can support the growth of good bacteria in your gut, promoting better overall digestive health. Number 6. Regulates blood sugar. For those managing diabetes or looking to keep their blood sugar levels in check, garlic might be a helpful ally. Studies have shown that garlic can improve insulin sensitivity, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Number 7. Enhances skin health. Garlic doesn't just work wonders inside the body, it can also benefit your skin. Thanks to its antibacterial properties, it can help fight acne and clear up skin. Applying garlic topically in small amounts can help clear up blemishes, prevent breakouts, and improve overall skin texture. Just be cautious with how much you apply. Garlic is potent. Number 8. Enhances brain health. Garlic is great for your brain too. The antioxidants in garlic help protect the brain from oxidative stress and aging. Garlic has been shown to improve cognitive function, reduce the risk of dementia, and even improve memory. So, if you want to stay sharp as you age, adding garlic to your meals could be a simple step to support brain health. Number 9. Strengthens bones. Looking to strengthen your bones? Garlic can help with that too. It's been shown to increase estrogen levels in women, which can promote bone health and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Garlic's anti-inflammatory properties also play a role in maintaining strong, healthy bones by reducing inflammation that can weaken them. Number 10. Boosts hair growth. Want longer, healthier hair? Garlic may be your new secret weapon. Garlic contains sulfur, which is a key component in collagen production, essential for hair growth. Applying garlic oil to your scalp can improve circulation, nourish your hair follicles, and promote stronger, thicker hair over time. Number: person drinking a hot garlic tea. And last but not least, garlic is known for its ability to fight off the common cold and flu. It helps to clear nasal passages and has antibacterial and antiviral properties. Consuming garlic, especially raw, can reduce the duration of colds and help prevent them altogether. It's like nature's own medicine. So there you have it, 11 powerful reasons to start including more garlic in your diet. Whether you're chopping it into your favorite dishes, making garlic tea, or even applying it to your skin, this humble superfood can have a huge impact on your health. Let me know in the comments how you like to use garlic, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Also, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on more health tips and delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, and remember, health starts with the little things you do every day. See you in the next video.